Okay, so here we have our 7-day update. It's been under a heating mat, covered under lights, 12 hours. And it looks like we have some growth. Some are popping up. These are the onion yellow sweet Spanish. Let's see this one. I don't really see much. I see this, but for the most part, it doesn't look like anything else. And these are the global onions. Over here. Oh, we got a lot of growth over here. These are the Walla Walla. Okay, Walla Walla. I'm gonna cover them so I can have more germination, and then once I have a little bit more germination, I'll leave it uncovered. Over here, oh, nothing over here. These are the yellow of Parma. Over here we have nothing. Utah yellow sweet Spanish. And next up we have these. I don't see any growth on these. This one is the globe, onion red globe. Nothing on this one, and this is the candy hybrid. Nothing on these. To be fair, oh, actually there's a little bit on the candy. To be fair, I didn't cover these, so probably would have been better if I covered them, but I just didn't want to, so I'm not gonna blame it. And this one, seeing a little bit of growth here. I actually see a couple of things popping up a little bit. Ruby red. Okay, we'll see. Ruby reds typically don't grow that well for me, so we will see. Next up, let's see. Ooh, okay, these are doing good. These are the Weathersfield red. Okay, red. Okay, I think these I'm gonna leave uncovered because that's a good amount of germination, and yeah, that looks really good. Okay, love that. Next, okay, we got some stuff. Okay, some growth on the edges over here. This is the Alicia Craig. These are really good ones, so hopefully, I think I'm gonna cover these because I want more germination from them. So, and lastly, let's see. Oh, okay, love. Oh, this looks good. Okay, yeah, that's a really good amount. This one I'm probably gonna leave uncovered. This is the onion white sweet Spanish. Okay, onion white sweet Spanish. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna leave that uncovered. Yeah, okay, we got progress.